So I bought a house. Now I have to fix it up. My name is Sarah and I live in South Carolina, and I recently purchased a fixer-upper and I'm excited to get my hands dirty and put this house back together. This is the real unfiltered starting point of the house I purchased. Here's the kitchen. The kitchen has gas appliances and popcorn ceilings and very much a wood tone kitchen. It was pretty dark to begin with. Also, the kitchen had 2 refrigerators. I'm assuming that is because there were 2 people living in this house and one refrigerator was for one individual and the other was for the other one. Laminate floors in the kitchen and in the dining room. Overall, it was in pretty good condition. Here's the dining room with panel siding. There's the glass sliding door to the porch. The glass door had a lot of damage to it and could hardly open and close. Here's a nice size screened in back porch. It needs a new door from outside to the porch and some of the screens damaged. There's some cracks in the concrete as well. As we enter the living space, you can see the purple brown carpet. The walls have pretty significant damage. It doesn't really show up on video, but there's years and years of nicks and damage to the drywall. This house was built in the 1970s and a lot of that needs to be repaired. Here's the front porch. My son really likes that screen door, so we're going to try to keep that. The front door also is hard to close, so I will have to raise up the door to allow ease for the door to open and close. Here are 2 hallway closets and an attic fan that's taped up. Here's the first bedroom, which is now our office, and a pretty decent size closet. I really like the amount of windows this house has, and it has a lot of light. And during decent weather time, it has a pretty good flow too if you have the windows open. Here's a bathroom. It's the hallway bathroom. It's in pretty decent condition. Here's another bedroom featuring the same brown red carpet with a closet. Here's another bedroom, slightly larger. With popcorn ceilings. Here's the master bedroom with brown carpet. A pretty decent size closet. And the master bathroom. Overall, this house is just over 1,400 square feet. Today I'm just cleaning and I'm going to measure back door, some windows, and seal up all the air duct vents. The owners left me a note saying that they had seen some roaches come in, so I'm gonna get those closed off until we get the HVAC guys out here to do some work under the house.
okay. Hey y'all, I'm Skylar, and right now I'm just sweeping all the dust off my walls because my room was super dusty when we first got it. So,
One more. No, a couple more. Couple more. Sorry. One more in this round. Everything has this like dust on it. I don't even know what it is. I got a respirator, mask, and gloves, and of course I left it at the house, so see, it's just, I think it's the bathroom got redone, and I think that it's just like drywall when they were sanding it, but it's everywhere. Moving us.
Oh my gosh, so gross.